So today we have a pool cleaner by KOKIDO, and we're going to get it out of the box, clean the pool, and let you guys know what we think all of today's episode of Good Tech Cheap. Let's go do it. Welcome back to another episode of Good Tech Cheap. My name is Brad and I'll be the host for today's episode. Starting out, if you're new to the show, make sure to hit that subscribe button or follow where you're seeing this content at. Today's episode is brought to you by KOKIDO. We have their robotic pool vacuum, the XTROJET 320. We're going to get it out of the box, but first, don't forget we have all the links and details located in the description if you'd like to take a look for yourself. Now this robotic pool cleaner is designed for in-ground and above-ground pools. So we're going to carry it to the above-ground pool we have, get it out of the box, and do some pool cleaning and let you guys know what we think. Let's go check it out. Okay, this is the KOKIDO pool cleaner. Let's get it out of the box. We have the XTROJET 320. And let's see what all we get. Right in the top, we have some foam and the vacuum itself. I wouldn't say it's foam, it's more of like a softer cardboard. Set her down. We also get some paperwork and some number stickers for putting our own custom numbers on the vacuum. Okay, so let's take a closer look at the KOKIDO vacuum. Lifting the top of the unit up, we have some more stuff on the inside of it. Our pool pole hook, a charger fitting, and a brush, along with your charger. Bottom of the unit, you can see where it pulls in the trash. Some nice wheels. Back wheel is adjustable. So this is everything you get out of the box. Let's get it charged up and do some pool cleaning. So the XTROJET 320 is an intelligent robotic pool vacuum system that self-navigates and automatically clears the debris in large areas of your pool. The large mouth inlet and jet flow filtration make it perfect for those larger debris, while the powerful suction is perfect for smaller debris as well, making this an exceptional vacuum for pools around 24 feet in diameter. KOKIDO also has a direct flow design with a patented vacuum engine, giving you the highest efficiency of cleaning, taking the flow of a short and streamlined water path for the highest suction power, which has also awarded this robotic vacuum the Reader's Choice Award of 2021, making this the perfect vacuum for pools up to 10 feet deep that powers through debris on the pool floor, picking up all of that trash that you do not want left behind, with a flow rate of 18.7 gallons per minute and can hold about a gallon of debris before it needs to be emptied, giving you a full spectrum cleaning. Picks up all sorts of trash like your pine straw debris, your leaf fragments, dead bugs, sand and other leaves, grass, pebbles, and so much more trash that you usually find in your pool. And with the automatic cleaning and self-navigation, you still get every inch of your pool covered. While traveling through the pool, it uses its patented stop, rotate, and go system when it comes to the edge, and maps out and covers every part of your pool, leaving no trash behind. So the XTROJET 320 has a 4,000 milliamp battery. For your pool cleaning, you'll get around 90 minutes before needing to recharge. So when the XTROJET 320 is done vacuuming your pool, it will stop in place and you can use the included hook on your pool rod to retrieve the vacuum out of the pool without having to worry about getting wet. Then after you have drained some water out of it, you want to lift the top and take a look under the standard 250 micron filter and check out all the trash and debris that the XTROJET 320 has picked up in your pool. And as you can see in our case, it's a pretty good bit. So this thing has done a great job at picking up some pool debris. And then cleaning all that excess trash out of the vacuum is no problem. You can dump out all the debris and water that is left in, then take a standard hose pipe to rinse off the unit, removing any sand or debris that is stuck on it, making it completely ready for the next cleanup job. But overall, the XTROJET 320 has been a phenomenal vacuum for this pool cleaning. It definitely picked up a lot of trash, including little rocks and so much more that I needed to get out of the pool, so that makes it highly recommendable for anyone in the market for this pool vacuum. Don't forget, we have all of our links and details to the KOKIDO XTROVAC 320 located in the description if you'd like to take a closer look for yourself. And I would also like to give a huge shout out to KOKIDO for partnering up with us so we could give you this review. If you found it helpful, make sure to hit that like button and get in the comments letting us know how big of a pool you got, and if you're interested in a robotic pool cleaner to get that cleaning job done for you. But that is going to wrap it up for today's episode. So if you haven't already, make sure you're subscribed to the channel, follow where you're seeing this video at. Thank you all so much for watching. Once again, my name is Brad, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next review.